Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't see my first video, then you should check it out. It's the first video I ever posted of myself on YouTube. I'm just here to give you some updates. As you know, I'm starting a business, trying to start a business. I'm getting into affiliate marketing. Learning everything from scratch, video editing, everything, how to make videos, creating posts. I've set up a Facebook page. I have a website also, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description below. I also have a few products on that website now, so if you want to, you can go and check them out. I'm still trying to find the proper niche, the thing that interests me the most, but I'm still learning, so it's going to be a long journey, but hopefully a nice successful one. The latest product I've just added on my channel, on my website, is Money Mastery. If you haven't heard of that, please go check it out on my website. I'll post some testimonials from some satisfied customers that have already used it. If you want to make money from home using Kindle and Amazon, then it's definitely for you if you love reading and writing. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll post more videos very soon. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye.
Hi everybody, my name is Isabel C. I live in Boca Raton, Florida, and I wanted to talk to you today about Kindle Money Mastery program that Stefan has created. Stefan has been coaching me for the past few months, and I have been in the Kindle Direct Publishing creating passive income online for about 3-4 months now. I'm so excited about this program that he has come out with now because it really shows you step by step in a video format, as well as these easy to follow PDF formats, PDF files on how to create passive income online. This is so exciting for me because I'm a therapist, I'm a life coach, I have all these sources of creating active income. However, I'm a single mother of 2, and being able to create income passively has been a godsend. I am able to play with my children and go out and be a full-time mom while creating income online, and it is just such an amazing feeling to go out, have fun, do your thing, and then come back, check your sales, and see that you are making money while living life. I highly recommend this program. It will really show you exactly what you need to do to get to this point of creating income online passively. So you do the work and you get committed, and then suddenly it just starts taking off and you're able to live a better life without having that stress of working actively. I highly recommend the program. Stefan is a wonderful coach as well, and that's it. I guess I just really wanted to share the excitement of this program. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, my name is Asaf Shiloni, and I'm from New Jersey, and I want to talk really quickly about my experience working with Stefan on his Kindle Money Mastery program. So I've been following Stefan blog for a while, and I've been wanting to do something to make some extra money online. I was a little bit unsure because I don't really have any experience with computers, or I'm even dyslexic. So when I was looking for that opportunity, I was a little bit unsure about doing that kind of business. But after going through it and deciding to try it, and starting to work with Stefan and going through that step-by-step system, I found out that it was actually really easy, and I did not need to know anything. I just needed to follow the steps and just follow the system, and it was really easy. And within a couple months, I've been just doing it for a couple months, and I'm already starting to make money. I already have multiple books that I have published, and I was amazed how easy it is, and I can't wait to to build on it and just grow my business like that. So I will highly recommend this program to anybody that want to make some money online, whether you just want to make some extra money or you want to make it a full business. Again, the system is the key, because Stefan made it so easy just to follow that system and be able to make you successful very quickly. So again, I will highly recommend it to anybody that want to try it. So I want to thank you, Stefan, again for helping with it, and I really appreciate it. And I wish success to anybody that want to try it. Thank you.